Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So my F-150 has 527,000 miles on it now, but the fog light game is kind of old, sad, and pathetic at this point. It's time for an upgrade, and thanks to AUTOONE LED, it definitely got the upgrade it needed. Oh my god, I cannot believe I waited this long to get something this dope on this truck. All the miles that I've put on this, all the back roads I've seen, all the years of delivering firewood or encountering deer and livestock, I cannot believe I just now stumbled upon something like this. This truck needed this from the beginning. Ford should have done this from the beginning, but thanks to AUTOONE LED, we absolutely have the upgrade we needed. I'm going to walk you through it. I did replace the lenses from a couple of sets from eBay. They're super cheap. I think it was like $18 for the pair. But the LED lights themselves were sent from AUTOONE LED, and they're absolutely worth it, and they're plug and play. So let's get into it, guys. That's going to be a separate video. You can click that here somewhere on the screen, or whatever. Except we've got these awesome headlights from AUTOONE LED. They gave us ones for the fog lights, ones for the headlights. They actually gave us multiples, so we're going to be able to test out some of the different features. But just for a straight swap, you see what it looks like at night. Kind of crappy, plus with a bad lens, ain't exactly fun. We're going to go and swap it out and see how much brighter the imagery is. Let's go for it. All right, so for tackling those pesky fog lights, 2012 F-150. Look at this. You can compare the passenger side and the driver's side. Do you know there's the adjustment screw right here, which I think is kind of holding it onto the body. So if we take that off, take off the wiring harness and the bulb to make room, there's this. It's like a pull tab. And get a flathead underneath there, and I'm pretty sure once you do this side and the other side, the bulb or the lens itself will come out through the front. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. So I ultimately decided to take out the headlight and unbolt the housing with the fog light in it to get it to rotate. Made it way easier for removing. It has seen better days, my friend. It's pretty basic. It's just, generic backing with reflectant and then lens. The only thing I could tell is the bulb did run too hot, and then I think it ultimately cracked it. I think it was actually like that because it looked like it was sitting with water for the longest time, but that's why I kept on popping the bulb as well. That's the bulb that came out of it. My first indication was I knew one day when I was running around, doing stuff at night, and I turned on the fog lights, this came on, and then maybe 10 minutes later I was like, wait a second, looks like it's out. Got out and looked and realized, oh yeah, it's actually out. Went to go change it the next day, bought a new one, put it in there, and it popped instantly. Like, came on, popped right away. I was like, okay, something's going on. Look at the front, like, oh, it's got water in it. Oh, it's got a crack. So glad to finally be taking care of this, but thanks to AUTOONE LED 1, we're also gonna have updated, brighter LEDs. So let's get on it, guys. So here's what the original bulb and lens looked like, and this is what we're going to now. So there's the new lens, sharp. There's the stock light that came with it, and the new one from AUTOONE LED 1. So you can see what your wiring harness looks like. They're direct fit, so it's going to go in there the exact same way. Boom, you're set up. So AUTOONE LED, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Said that looks so much better in there. I can't wait to see them plugged in. So let's go and get on it. Big reveal. Oh my god. They're yellow. I must have missed some, but still, that is badass, dude. Oh, thank you, AUTOONE LED, seriously, for sending me those. Just phenomenal. You guys need to make sure to go to the link in the description if you want to get yourself a set of these beauties, just like that. Use Smashing Punk Fan at checkout to save yourself 15%, okay? Oh man, those are gorgeous. Just like, look at that contrast. The white ones, the yellow ones. That's so cool. Oh man, I wish my truck had those too. Talking about the Raptor, but that's badass. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, if you learned anything, please smash that like button. Make sure to share with the other Ford enthusiasts, because this truck has 526,000 miles. Talking about over 500,000 miles on this truck. Like, oh, here, I'll just go ahead and show you. There's no point in trying to just beat around the bush. I'll just show you guys. Oh, my bad. 527. 527 original miles and a 3.5 liter EcoBoost. I don't know if it's because of just the way I take care of vehicles or if I've just had good luck with it, but this truck's gone forever. But then again, like I said, thank you guys, and stick around for the next video if you want to see more stuff like this going on. Do all kinds of repairs on this channel. I love every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. We'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys want to get some of these badass LEDs for your truck, make sure to use code SMASHINGPUNKFAN at checkout to save 15%. Thank you guys for all the love and support.